Hey Rose fam, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. All right, this is a follow-up to Saturday's video that has the window cleaning and the information on your 1-year warranty. So some of the work is being done now. They are filling in those right there and going into all of the corners and filling those in. A lot you'll be able to see better when it's actually painted. So of course the house is a wreck, but here is right here. He is filling in some stuff down here. Let's see. Getting some of this done. So these were nail pops that he's filling in. Doing a really good job with that. Alright guys, I decided to jump into a voiceover. There was so much noise going on in the background. We had jazz, we had TV, and just the work that they were doing. So up there we had 2 large nail pops that they're going to have to find a 22-foot ladder to get there, because I think it's almost 25 feet high. So they are looking for that. They are currently on a quick break right now. I'm going to take you upstairs real quick. Is it time for your class, baby? Here's Ty. He is getting ready for school. Again, he had a break in classes. So, oh guys, look, I finally finished Ty's wall. Let me see. Stay that way. Let me see. I can turn the light on. I guess the light doesn't really help, but look how it turned out, guys. Oh my God, I'm so... Look. Let's see. That's what it looks like there. I'm so freaking excited about this wall, guys. It really came together, and it only took me, I want to say it's probably about 3 to 4 hours worth of work. But all it was just, they're just little pieces of wood strips, super light, nailing those to the wall, puttying where they meet. So what I did was just design where I wanted to put the wood at, the slats. So these are just the slats here. And then I just figured out where I wanted to put them on the wall just to make a nice little design, and painted it. And that's it. So super happy and super proud of how that came out. Like I said, guys, we have a lot of projects that we are going to be working on. So I'd like to show the projects, I should say. Let me know if you guys like to just see the finished product, or you like to go along and watch the whole process of the DIYs. Let me know how you guys feel about that, because if you want to see like step by step how we do it, I'll definitely videotape stuff like that. I'm going to be doing the same circle wall that I have in the kitchen. My husband wants one down in his man cave, so I'm going to be doing that process. So let me know if you want to see how I actually put that together on the walls. Drop that in a comment below, and I'll definitely take you guys along that process as well. So anyway, I'm going to check in on Ty, and I will be back to you guys shortly. All right, guys, I'm sorry. He is taking a lunch break, so now I can show you. I kept getting in his way. Also see something else that has popped up between me two. I don't know, this week, I guess, as well. Might have just been yesterday, but here's that. They are fixing that, and right above the window, I see the same cracking. So anyway, this is what they're working on right here. And let's see. You know, this is driving me crazy. All of this right here. Oh, Lord. Okay, let me take you downstairs and show you what is going on here. So these were nail pops that he is fixing here.
Okay, so that's when you met.
So
you may not want to drop that information on a young lady when you first meet, because having children is a lot of responsibility. And both of you are really young. You're 24, 21 now.
There's another one down there.
But over the course of 2 years, think about all the holidays.
And he did get these filled in pretty good. I mean, it's not going to be perfect, but it's better than yesterday that they filled it in. They had to come back and redo it. So doing a good job. That's what hubby's working on over there in his man cave area. See him working real hard right there.
Get out.
I got put out. See how I get done, y'all? I get put out. You're working real hard, but it's coming together really well, guys. Oh.
So I got 2 kids. They're from 2 different women. So I would
let's see. I think that is it. What I'll do is when everything is completed, I'll go back through and show you guys what, I'll just show you real quick, because really all it is filling and painting. I guess the purpose of this is just for your awareness, to know what to look for, know that certain things you're entitled to have fixed. I mean, if it's not a big deal to you to have those things, you know what I mean? Some people don't care. If it's separated, it's separated. Some people care. I'm intensely anal about stuff sometimes, so it bothers the heck out of me. So I needed to make sure. And it's been a struggle. It's been a real struggle with communication and We never had any struggles before, but there are some new people and things, so it's been a little rough, but I still stand by and believe that it's a great company and they do a great job building. It's just this last part, which I'm very happy that it's the last part, is raising up my blood pressure. But anyway, guys, I'm probably going to include lining my cabinets in this video. I believe I did tell you guys on Saturday's video that some of these things are going to be overlapping. I just want to share them with you guys. So I do need to line my cabinets. I did have the sticky nightmare of liner, and I will not use that ever again. So this is just the shelf liner that you just cut and put in. And that's what I'm going to use. So, all right, guys, I am going to go finish editing Saturday's video, and I will come back and give you guys some updates.